Let me show you that how do you create crosstab for checking interaction of two categorical variables in SAS. So what you do here, see right now I have gender, and in my data set there are not many categorical variable, but what we can do, we can use this name start which has given some values and check its interaction with gender. Let me show it to you what it is. So when you run it, it is showing you interaction of two variable, gender F, and you can say for female there are two names which are starting with J. There are one with P, one with T, and one with W. So that's how you have got 5 people. And for male, you can see there are 111 here. There are 4 names which are starting with J, and there are 2 names which is starting with R, and that's how you got the 13 people. But then what it is, what is these things? Okay, so what you need to understand, this is giving you essentially, like there are many things it is giving you. Like if you think of what is this is actually the percentage. So actually it is, if you see, you have altogether 18 data. So what it is giving you, this first one, it's giving you percentage, right? I mean, just think of it is also saying you what it is here. It is saying the first thing is percentage. So 11.11 is percentage. How it has come? 2 divided by the total number of data. What is the total number of data here? 18. So 2 divided by 18 will give you 11.11. Now what is this 40%? Again, you take a look here. It is saying row percentage. So how it is coming 40%? How it is coming 40%? You have 5 people total. You have 2 here. 2 divided by 5 gives you 40%. And that's why you are seeing here. And what is this column percentage? The column percentage is essentially, if you think of, you have total 6 people here. So 2 divided by 6 gives you column percentage of 33.33. So that's how it is publishing for each and every cell. Now below at the end, what it is giving you, obviously it is just giving you percentage here, right? And here also if you think of, like which is the column total, row total, what it is giving you, again it is giving you the percentage of data. So out of 18, you have 5 here, so 5 divided 18 gives you 27.78. But at times you don't want all of them, you just want to see the number. You don't want percentage, row percentage, column percentage. So what to do? So there is a easy way out. You put the same command again, but this time with option you put no row, means don't give me row, no column, don't give me column percentage, no percent, don't give me percentage. Then it will just produce you the number, just the frick. So let me show it to you. So now if you think of, it has just given you the numbers. It hasn't given you row percentage, column percentage, all those things. And this is also desirable because at times I'm looking for this kind of information. You don't need anything more than that. So that's how you create the crosstab in SAS.